that would be a long video and that would be really repetitive. Like, yeah. Okay, so let's get started. So I am going to be waking my hamsters up because if I waited forever, like if I waited till they woke up, it would be probably around, for him, 4 in the morning. So I'm just going to take all the tops off, wake him up, and put him in the bathtub, get started, do a time lapse, explain what I'm doing. You guys probably also don't want to see me doing it in real time. So, hi Crosby! Oh, you guys can't even see him, I'm sorry. There he is! Hi Cross! Hey bud! Are you ready to get your oh, you love your wheat and oat sprays. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. You ready? You ready to go in bathtub time? He's like, no. He's like, excuse you, Mom. Crosby. So I'll just get him in the bathtub now. Here's Crosby. I'm gonna try, like, so the light's not, like, in his face, but here's Crosby. Crosby. What I'm gonna do is just start by removing everything in the enclosure. Also, I will have a dirty bag of bedding and a clean bag of bedding. So even though I'm taking all the bedding out, still gonna have his bedding, so I'm not giving him all new bedding. Just to let you guys know that. So, let's go. Yeah, I also forgot to mention to you guys that I will not be doing Missy's, and I actually just remember this to myself. And it's actually funny because she just went to the vet today, but she is getting treated for mites right now. So a week and a half ago, I did a full deep clean. I actually changed all her bedding because we thought she might have been allergic to Carefresh because she was losing a bunch of fur. But she's getting treated for mites. She got an injection today, and she got one last week, and she gets one more on, like, in 2 weeks, I believe. So, I will not be doing Missy's cage, but I will be just spot cleaning it because that is the appropriate, I guess, action to take for her right now. And since I just cleaned it, there's no point in doing all her bedding. So, yeah, why Missy's getting treated for mites? Obviously, you guys might realize she might have mites, but I noticed she was losing a lot of fur around her face, especially, and her back was thinning out a lot, like her back fur. And so I was like, Mom, this isn't right. Like, she's either sick, like something's happened, because she, we believe, is a younger hamster. So it's weird. It would be weird if she was, you know, a year and a half. This is, by the way, all of the dirty bedding. So we think she's getting, so the vet is treating her for mites right now. They couldn't totally, diagnose it just because they actually said she was like the fastest hamster they've ever worked with. So if they wanted to get a scraping, you know, normally they just can't hold a hamster, get the scraping, but they said they would have to put her under, like, anesthesia and everything, and we were like, no, just, like, treat her for mites, and if it's not, you know, we'll do further testing, most likely. I'll have to see, of course, who my mom's okay with, and depending on what kind of further testing they would want to do, but at the moment, we're just doing mites. So this is diluted vinegar water, and it's mostly just water. But I'm just doing this just to get all the germs out of here. Doing it on the walls, everything. And then I'm taking paper towels, which I have to open. And just going to do that. And then I'll also clean all of Krasnodar's stuff before I put in the bedding. Just because I don't want his bedding to be wet and him getting sick from it. So I'm just gonna let this kind of air dry and then do paper towels one more time, of course, before I put all of his stuff back. let's do that. Okay, so everything is washed, everything's dry. I'm going to put all his old bedding back. I'm actually going to have this spot as his burrowing area because he does really actually like when he gets a variety of different setups. He really enjoys that. So I'm just going to put a lot of his bedding over here. And then whatever more he needs, I'll be happy to give him more. I'm going to try to leave this space a little bit more open just because. And then let me get more Aspen. Oh my gosh, this bag of Aspen is huge. But anyway, just going to put in more. Did I not press record? Okay, yeah, I did press record. Oh! I love but hate Aspen. I love how inexpensive it is and how it looks in more of a natural cage theme. But I hate it because it gets on your shirt like crazy. More than regular bedding. So that's how things are going. This is Krasnodar's cage, all set up and clean. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, comment down below what other videos you guys like to see. And hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye!